And hello! Hi! How are you? Welcome back, everybody. Today I decided to try to turn my face, upside down. I am currently working on a short, so I figured, hey, why not film it and post it and make a video about it so people can make fun of me and I just have to sit there and accept it. Sounds like a fun time to me. So I currently have a lot of makeup on my face, as you can see. And if you see me looking to the right, it's because of the viewfinder. And yeah, I just took off the makeup that I previously had, and then I applied this I Love Dew. It's so cute. It's from AOA or Shop Miss A. It was only like $1.88, so if you care to see what that was all about. And before we get into it, before I start trying to turn my face upside down, I don't have a wig, but I have some hair extensions, so hopefully that will come into play. But the next video I was thinking about doing, so I have a lot of makeup, and on Sephora, when you check out, you can always pick So I do a lot of shopping on Sephora, and when you check out, you can go to offers. They have like spend $40, you get this free item, spend $25, you get this item, blah blah blah. And I recently got this little tiny itty bitty Charlotte Tilbury little face powder compact, and I swear it's like the size of a quarter. It is so cute, and that inspired me to do a full face of tiny little makeup. So that's gonna be coming next after this probably, so yeah, I thought it was super cute. And it even came in a cute little box that's falling apart, but that's what it came in. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do that next. But anyways, I guess I should do the normal little intro. Welcome back, everybody. Don't mind the background. My channel will always probably just be my channel will probably always be just pure chaos, so don't mind the face. I currently made an order on Amazon for more makeup remover, so it's coming in handy since I'm doing a lot of special effects makeup and stuff, and well, dramatic makeup, I should say. I'm sorry this video is all over the place because that's just the kind of person I am, I guess. I get so nervous on camera, but here I am. Okay. So like I said, I'm currently trying to make a short, so I'm taking you along with me. I know I shouldn't probably be rubbing my eyes this hard, but oh well. Oh well. And I'm drinking hot chocolate on a nice summery hot day because who can't pass up hot chocolate, I swear, you know? To start this this journey, we'll glue down the eyebrows. Glue down the eyebrows. For concealer, I'm using this just old Morphe concealer. I had to take the stopper out because it's almost gone. But by golly, we're gonna use the rest of it. I'm trying to do a good job, but I'm also trying to hurry up a little bit, so. And I'm using this old powder from Wet n Wild. It's almost gone too, but that's okay. It's going to a good cause. Well, I don't really have stick foundation, but I do have the old version of the Amazonian clay foundation from Tarte in 12S Fair Sand. And it's nice and thick, so let's try using that. And yes, my neck and my face are two different colors because I've been self-tanning. So let's see how well this goes. So I don't have any of that modeling clay or whatever you call it to do like gashes or prosthetics or anything like that. So we're gonna have to use my art skills and draw a nose on me. So we'll see how that goes. That's the only thing that takes my whole face out of the illusion is my eyebrows. They just do not want to go away. I look like a mime. I look like a mime. Oh gosh. Can't even do it correctly, but whatever. Okay, well that's nice and chunky. I hate to use my Tarte Shape Tape, but it's nice and thick and it covers a lot, so it's like, please don't hate me. I have to use you for something that I'm just gonna wash off later, but like, oh well, I mean, like, you wash off makeup anyways, but you know what I mean, like, I don't wanna have to use it for something like this, but that's okay. That's okay. If you get enjoyment from this, then it went to a good cause. You know, I wanted to be one of those fancy gurus, or makeup gurus, where the background is lovely, and they look so, and it's so aesthetically pleasing to watch them, but you know what? I guess I'm just not there yet. I'm just not that person, so you're gonna have to watch all this chaos unfold. But you know what? I'm content and happy with myself. It's fine. My face is nice and chunky. Oh, this is just unfortunate. You know, while doing my makeup like in a nice way, I look so nice and pleasant and beautiful, but then when I do my makeup like this, I'm like, oh my god, you're terrifying. We're gonna try using this Wander Beauty palette. Don't worry, I'm just getting the base down and I'll make it all pretty at the end. I hope. I'm that type of person that has to get a rough outline of the project, and then you can be sorry. Oh man, this is weird. Okay, sorry, like I was saying, you can prepare all you want for a project, you know, as in like makeup, but until you get everything on your face, you realize what you have to do next. So that's what I'm kind of doing right now, just trying to figure out what I gotta do, and then I'll... The fallout is a little unreal with this one. Ah! This KVD, I'm using the KVD brow pomade, and this, but it dries out so fast. I mean, it's nice stuff, but like, my back is hurting. Bleh. I always have to put like some kind of setting spray in it to make it not so chunky. There, upside down siren eyes. Oh no. Excuse me for getting so close up to you, but I don't know how else to do this. Welcome back. I know a lot has changed. My camera was overheating and now is currently dying, so I just kind of had to wrap it up a little bit, or make things go by a little faster. So I hope you don't mind the jump cut. But I am currently trying to do this goddamn nose. I've done this nose like 10 times already, but this time it's finally coming together. But so currently I'm just working on shading, playing with lights, or not lights, but you know, the more light you add and the more dark shadows you add, the more things come alive. Oh, and there goes my battery. Okay, I'm gonna go get a new battery and I'll be right back. See you in a second. I think to make this video not so goddamn long, I think I'm going to finish touching up the lips, add some like lightness and like not shimmer, but like I guess I can show you really fast. I got this Athena palette off Amazon, so that's what I'm using to do some of the lights and or the colors. That's what it looks like. Like for example, I'm gonna use this white, but then add it like, kind of do that to make it look more real. So I'm gonna do that, and then I will be back in a second with everything else done probably. Well, at least the face, and then we'll do the hair and... Oh, that looks so cute! I love it! Okay, I'm gonna finish up doing the detail work on my little face, and then I'll be back to do the hair, and I'll be right back. Okay, I said the same thing like 3 times, but anyways, I'll be back in a second. I'm back! So, this is what it's like. I had to do some finessing because this was really fucking difficult. But there is my little bow that I decided to put in my hair. And hello! Hi! How are you? Look, I'm upside down! Woohoo! Except you can see my hand. There's no other way to hold up my hair besides my hand. I don't have any double-sided tape. I don't know what to do. Except maybe just a little bit. Just kind of do that a little bit, and then take a one that doesn't have a lot of... I don't want to... That's all I'm gonna say. There you go, just like a little bit more definition. This side got washed out pretty hard, so I just wanna, there. Take a little concealer brush. Nope, oh, I just dropped my glue. This is a huge mess. Oh, I see like a little black dot that I gotta get rid of. I'll just do that. Hello, how are you? Ha 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 ha. Here, now I gotta get my thumbnail, but hide my hand. I gotta put this a little bit closer in the middle, like, I don't want it to like get in the way. There. Yeah, cute, love it. Hi, how are you? Ah, yes. There we go. We'll just do that. Hi, how are you? Hope you have a good day. Okay, I think that's all for me. I'm gonna go make my short really fast, then call it a night, wash this off, and go night-night. Okay, see you later. Peace.